Hi friends, I'm Zubair from Dattabot, leading the training and business initiative of my company. Welcome to the third module of Data Science and Technology series. Today, I will introduce you to Dattabot, the people behind the mission. I'll make you understand why we do what we do. So let's go ahead. So according to the PricewaterhouseCoopers, the world we are living in is very interesting. Indonesia as a country is an emerging economy, and Indonesia is one of the constituent countries of Mint. Indonesia will be ranked 7th in GDP by 2050. So for us to move towards that, we need to play a very significant role of getting the data which is unconnected, which is offline, to a connected world. The challenges are it needs to digitalize the information and its systems for it to become a superpower in the next few decades. So what we are trying to do at Dattabot is to get all the data which is offline and to become digitalized and become more connected, so it provides more value for everyone. So a little bit of how the idea was conceptualized. So it's an interesting story that one of our founders was traveling and he noticed in airport that people were using the magazines and they were carrying out. He questioned, hey, what are you going to do with that much of magazines? What are you going to do? And the person replied that we archive this data into digital format. And he said, that's very interesting. He came back to Indonesia, understood that we do not have that data which could be archived and which could be digitalized. So hence the journey started as MediaTrack. So in 2003, the company started as a media monitoring company. So what we did is that we provided insights to media companies. In 2007, our company gathered lots of data beyond the offline and the printed mode. So what we try to do is that put all the data into a digitalized mode, convert the offline data to an online data repositories. And by 2010, we started to become a data-driven consulting company. Then we moved on to become a big data analytics and technology company. So last year in 2016, we hosted one of the biggest Indonesia's data event called Data for Life, and we rechristened our name from MediaTrack to Dattabot. Why Dattabot? Because we want to let our clients and our customers know that we are just not a media monitoring company. We are Dattabot, which will connect the data at the granular level and solve the world's toughest problems. So what we do at Dattabot is we understand we love challenges. So in terms of agriculture, we have low productivity. We can automate the process through data, so the whole process is more efficient and provides increase in productivity. So in terms of people who have no access to the finance and which have no access to the credit or no access to the capital, we profile them so that they could be included and provide access to the capital, which will be providing a more essential access to financial services. How do we do that? Is that we have robots to artificially collect the data from offline sources and connect them to an online data. So next what we do is we profile and discover insights. We connect those dots which are from different sources of data. We create a profile and then we generate contextual recommendations. These recommendations help you all to understand what the data can actually do, how the data can help you. So what happens is that once there is a more connected data, you get more value generated from that connected data. That is our mission. So in terms of the product and services, what we do at Dattabot is that we have 4 major business verticals. So one is analytics services. So what we do in analytics services is that we do digital marketing strategy and analysis. The next product and services is system integration. So what we do in system integration is that we use the enterprise data which is in different silos. We put all the data, we collect that data and put it into a data lake or a data hub, and from there we provide insights. So next is industrial internet. We have partnered with GE, which is General Electric, to use their platform called Predix to let the machines connect with each other. So one of the use cases, what we do in the mining industry is understand the current health condition of its workers so that the safety is ensured. So we have an industrial IoT project. IoT is Internet of Things. So finally, we have a training and development initiative called Dattabot Dojo. We are the only partners of Cloudera, SAS, Pintaria, Jeev, and various other principals. We are the certified partners. We provide certified training for these. So this is what we do as our major business. Then we are also simultaneously building a platform, as I mentioned before, which will automatically collect data from different sets like satellite. We do a document digitalization. We collect data from IoT sensors and different mobile apps. So this data is collected, and our machine processes this data to create a profile, and we connect that data and we provide recommendations. So these recommendations finally help different industries. So currently we are focusing on agriculture and finance, and later on we will build for media, legal, healthcare, industry, telecommunications, and then the retail industry. Then let me introduce you to the people behind this mission. The first one is Pa Imran Zohri. He is the founder and CTO. Next, let me introduce you to Mr. Regi Wahyu. He is the co-founder and current CEO. Our Chief Operating Officer is Tom Malik, and the people behind the technology is Mr. Steve Lewis. And I will introduce you to Joshua Siahan. So he is the Chief of Technology Solutions. And finally, Mr. Alex Jatra. He is VP of Finance. So thank you for allowing me to present this to you all. I hope it enlightens you about what Dattabot is all about, and I'll be happy to answer any queries. Please let me know, and if you have any queries, please let us know, and I'll be happy to help you with that. Thank you so much. Have a great day.